today we're going to be talking about what are the top ways to make money from home using YouTube. I'm Sheri Barbera.
I'm Barbera.
And this is Ask Me Anything About YouTube, and we are talking about...
Okay, here we go. Number 1, video marketing. Number 2, selling products. Number 3, selling services. Number 4, expertise videos for speaking, coaching, training, education. Expertise videos for writers, artists, actors, dancers, singers.
Creatives.
Number 5, educating online paid courses. Number 6, making videos for someone else. Number 7, editing videos for someone else. Number 8, making thumbnails or channel art. Number 9, training and unlisted videos. No. Number 9, training with unlisted videos. Number 10, coaching with unlisted videos.
Okay, so let's start with number 1. What was the question?
Video marketing.
Okay, so how do you make money from home with video marketing? That seems like a strange question because, first of all, video is how you're marketing with video. And secondly, you're using the power of video, which is a visual medium, to sell something. You're either selling your product or service. The best way to do that with video marketing is to tell a story. So tell a story about your product, tell a story about your service, tell people why you did it, what you love about it, something great that happened from it. Make it fascinating, make it exciting, make it wow, make it interesting. This is marketing. This is how you market with video. And on video, you can show not only you talking about it, but you can also have what's called B-roll, where you cut from you and literally show you with someone or show you using your product or service.
So you're doing a voiceover and you're showing you with somebody else or showing the product being used or in use.
Exactly. Yes.
Okay.
Video marketing is a fantastic way to start making money right now from home with YouTube.
Okay. Now, using YouTube to sell your products, selling products.
Selling products on YouTube is basically just like doing an infomercial on television. Go and look at fabulous infomercials. What do? How do they do it? How are they selling the product? I highly doubt they are literally selling the product, right?
No, they're showing how to use it.
They're showing how to use it. They're
you want
telling you all
non-stick?
the benefits
That's
of using it.
And I've still got my grill line.
They're telling you why it's going to make your life better, how it's going to make you feel better, how all of these wonderful things that are going to happen to you because of this product that's only $9.99 in 4, easy installments or something like that. So it is very simple to sell a product with video on YouTube. And then how do you actually sell that product on YouTube? Well, you talk about it, you show it, you describe it, you do all of the things that any good infomercial would do, and then in the description below the video, you link to either directly a page where you sell the product,
or to your website.
Where you
sell the product.
Where you sell the product. Okay, that's it.
All right, so that's it. So, and services, selling services.
Same exact thing. So when you're selling something, nobody wants to be sold on something, right? Nobody wants a sale. Everybody wants something that helps them.
Right.
Everybody wants something that makes them feel better, look better, do something more quickly or easily, something that makes their life better, something that makes their family better. How does it benefit me? So if you're selling your service, what does your service do to help other people? How do you do that? What's involved in doing that? How can they contact you? Where do they contact you? What do you do for them? You give explanations and wonderful definitions and show all of this. And if you can get testimonials from previous customers or clients, show that, because a testimonial, word of mouth, right, honey?
Yeah, and the easier you make it for them, the easier it'll be for them to buy your product or...
And then just like a product in your services, you tell people in the links below, in the description below, there is a link that you can click on that's going to take you right to my website where you can learn a ton more information about the services that I have and sign up for them. It's super simple.
Okay, so we're on to number 4.
Number 4.
expertise videos for speaking, coaching, training, educating.
So one of the top ways to make money on YouTube is how to. How to is an entire category on YouTube itself. And how-to videos have become the third most watched videos after music videos and gaming videos. If you're an expert at something, what you want to do is explain how to do something with your expertise. And as you explain how to do something, at the end of that explanation, you tell people in the description below this video to learn more. Click the link to go to my website where you can learn more about my services or my products or whatever it is your expertise is on how they can hire you. That's how you immediately start building your expertise and selling your expertise and making money today using YouTube.
Getting people to come to you.
Yes.
Okay.
Come to you.
All right. Expertise videos for writers, artists, actors, dancers, singers.
If you're a creative, how do you sell on YouTube? How do you sell? Well, who knows you exist? It's as hard. I don't think there's anything harder than being a creative person and selling yourself. Because the last thing you want to do is sell yourself. You just want to be a creative person because that's what you are. You just want to create. So how do you sell and market yourself and make money when nobody knows who you are? Well, YouTube is a perfect platform for you because as a creative, you can show your craft. You can show yourself writing. You can show your writing process. You can show the books that you've written or the screenplays that you've written or the scripts that you've written or the poems that you've written, whatever it is that you've written and how to purchase them or where to purchase them or
hundreds of millions of views every minute.
Yes.
And you have to just make your niche.
Make your niche. Be within your niche, which if you're a writer, your niche is writing. And then within the writing niche, what kind of writing do you do? Are you a young adult author? Are you horror? Are you mystery? What is it that you do? So you niche yourself down into whatever that is. If you're a dancer, what kind of dancing do you do? Is it modern dance? Is it jazz? Is it tap? Is it...
Because people are specifically searching for specific
things, right? People aren't just looking for dance.
No.
I'm a dancer. What does that mean? It doesn't mean anything. You want to sell what you do, what you specifically do. So if you're a dancer, you want to get hired. You either want to get clients that you want to teach dancing to, or you want to be hired by a company, or you want to be hired by someone making a video that you can dance in. You want to be hired for dancing, right?
Well, maybe I should dance. For money.
You can dance, honey.
I could dance for money. You'd be the only one that would pay me.
I could show a video of that.
No.
So think about it. How do you make money right now from YouTube? It's by showing your expertise and marketing it directly to the people that could buy it. And how do you market to them directly? Number one, by putting out your videos on YouTube. Number two, by promoting those videos out into social media. YouTube has right underneath your video what's called a share button. And that share button allows you to share that video to all the social media platforms. You just click and share. And so a lot of that allows you to put a description. After you click to share it, it allows you to put a description. Be sure you put a description there. Don't just send the video out, okay? Put in the description, hey, this video is all about how I do these special pop dancing moves that are perfect for music videos, or whatever it is that you do that's special and unique. Talk about it, share it everywhere.
Because when the video comes up, the description comes up, and people read all the description.
Right.
They want to know about what they're going to see before they see it.
Yes.
Usually.
So
always.
Creatives, you can do this.
Yes. So educating online paid courses. I don't know what that means.
If you're an educator and you have been hired to educate and you get paid to educate, well, now what do? You can't go to wherever it is that you were educating before, but you're still an expert. You still have all of this knowledge. You still can teach. You just teach online. So the way for you to do that is either by creating a trailer of what you do and then some videos about what it is that you teach, and then you send people to a website where they can sign up for these online courses that you make. So you go to YouTube, you make videos of yourself, and you create a course, an online course.
And that could be a number of lessons,
yes,
let's say, for a
yes,
course.
so you could even use the curriculum that you already have, create video courses on that, make the whole video course, make the training course, make it, you can do 10-minute courses, you can do 20-minute courses, you can do hour or 3 or 5 hour courses, just break them up into modules. So you can do this.
You can do it. So making videos for someone else.
There are so many people that have no desire or interest in making a video, but they still need to market and promote themselves. They still need to sell their business. How do they do that? Well, they hire somebody else. And that somebody else could be you. And if you already know how to make videos, all you need to do from them is have them email you photographs, have them email you all the links to their social media and their website. If they've ever made videos, they can email you links to the videos that you can use, and you take that information and you make videos for them. That's
You can do a lot of B-roll and a lot of
yes,
voiceover.
yes. So you can make their videos and charge for that, and they can still get marketed and promoted in this downtime, and you become the authority in your niche for making videos.
Which leads to the next question, editing videos for someone else. It's all connected.
Yes,
so
it's all
you're making
connected.
it, you're editing it, you're just making it easy for them to make money, and they don't have to do the work,
Exactly.
but they pay you.
Same exact
to do the
thing.
work.
So let's say you love editing, you're a great editor, you make YouTube videos about yourself and how you love editing, it's your passion. You are available for people to hire to edit their own videos, show you editing, talk about editing, explain editing, tell which editing software programs you use, show you at your computer editing. This is how you do that.
Okay. And making thumbnails and channel art.
You sell your services of you, the person who makes channel art, for somebody else who has a YouTube channel. And you make their thumbnails and you make their banner and you do all of the work for them, and then you just email it to them. So you just charge for that. And you can do that by selling yourself on YouTube as the expert and authority. You show all the different thumbnails that you've made and all the different styles you can make them in. And if you're on Fiverr or Behance or any of those platforms, you already know how to do all of this, but now you just start selling what people need in YouTube. And what they need artwork for is they need it for their thumbnails, their channel art, and they also need it for their videos, because a lot of times people like to use graphics or illustrations in their videos. So these are all things that you can sell right now today from home on YouTube.
So the point is, the more readily available you make yourself, the easier you make it for people to find you, the more you will sell.
There? How do people know you're there? So on YouTube, second largest search engine in the world, people search for, I need someone to make thumbnails for me. Do you pop up?
Make videos.
Right, make videos.
Make a lot of videos.
Make videos. Okay.
Okay. So now see, I don't understand this. Training with unlisted videos. Tell me what that means.
Right now you can make money if you're a trainer. You have been, let's say, an exercise trainer, and you have a bunch of private clients that you've been training for years. Now you can't get together with them in person to train them, but you can still train them with unlisted videos on YouTube. And what I mean by that is you film yourself training your client, and you talk to them just as if they're right there in front of you, and then you upload that to YouTube as an unlisted video. That video link you then send to your client. That's their own personal, private, unlisted link.
So it's like private training.
It's private training. And you're still charging for it, and they're still paying you, and they are still getting your expertise and your training.
So and the last one is coaching with unlisted videos.
Same exact thing.
Right.
Same exact thing. So if you are privately coaching people, you say to them, okay, email me all your questions, or let's get on the phone and talk about your questions, and then I'm going to make a video so that you can see me telling you how I feel about that and what I really want you to do. And then you film yourself, you the coach, talking to your client directly, telling them all the things that you want them to do today or tomorrow or this week or this month. And then you post it onto YouTube as an unlisted video, You email them that unlisted video link and they can watch it over and over again. Now, here's the other thing is that you can also make it up there for a set amount of time, right? You can just say to them, okay, the video is going to be up there for a month and that's it. And then once a month is over, you change it from unlisted to private, okay? You're the only one now that can see that video, but you still have access to that video anytime you want. Now, if you wanted to, you could reuse that video for marketing, for coaching, for training, whatever it is that you want to use it for. You can download it, you can cut it up, you can make it a trailer, you can use it as, pieces to market yourself on social media, whatever you want to use it for. But they can only access it for a set amount of time.
Okay, well, that's all the questions we have for today.
So we covered what are the top ways to make money from home using YouTube, and let's just run through them real fast.
Real fast. Video marketing, selling products, selling services, expertise videos for speaking, coaching, training, educating, expertise videos for writers, artists, actors, dancers, singers, educating online paid courses, making videos for someone else, editing videos for someone else, making thumbnails or channel art, training with unlisted videos, coaching with unlisted videos. How fast was that?
So there are at least 10 things you can do right this moment to start making money on YouTube.
Right.
Do it. Get up there. Make videos. This was Ask Me Anything About YouTube. I'm Sheri Barbera.
I'm Sal Barbera.
And we'll see you in the next video. Jai.
People don't know you're there unless you put yourself out there.
Put yourself out there, right? Nobody knows you're there. Perfect to say that's me.
And I think you should just subscribe now. Just subscribe and get it out of the way. Go ahead right now. We'll wait.
And hit that little bell.
Good. All right, good.
So you're notified of every video.
Right,
Like
so-
this if you like it. Okay.